Hello! This is my new Airsoft review, and today I have a guest star, GameBreaker22.
Hello, I'm GameBreaker22, and today we are going to be showing you about the Glock 18. Mostly, well, basically. It was built in Australia, first time. It is a semi-auto weapon. You can see here, like 6 mil. No, the good kind. And for some weird reason he has sticks. And well, it was first presented to the United States of America in we have so many bloopers. Oh, there's so many problems.
Still recording. This one's too long to be a blooper.
No.
Welcome to another one of I forgot my name.
The total pack.
This is gonna take forever.
Damn right it will. We didn't even walk out yet. Oh my god.
It's funny when you said you're like
like right before we start, people. Oh.
Okay, get our laughs out. Hello, I am the Total Package 12. I
want to start it. Oh, how about I go? Hello, I'm the guest star, and I'm gonna introduce you to our main person. How about that? Okay, because you keep messing it up.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's like, hello, I'm the Total Package 12.
I feel you're trying to get it.
No, okay, I'm the Total Package 12. I'm for a new Airsoft review today.
And I'm here to interview.
Interview? What? I'm not interviewing.
I'm here to review a new Airsoft gun.
With my good friend.
My guest star, good friend.
And it was still recording, of course. Hello, I'm the Total Package 12 for our new Airsoft review today. My good friend, the GameBreaker22, is here to help.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Is here to help me review
well, his gun. Well, right here.
Airsoft gun.
This is the Glock 18. It was originally built in Australia. It was published in America in
1979!
No.
Even I remember that.
1982, I was thinking of that. It was in service. Well, whatever. Don't pay attention to that. We'll cut that out later.
We can't cut.
Yeah, you can. It's called cropping. You can't crop a video?
No, on our system.
We've screwed up so many.
Okay, that's not gonna be a blooper, okay? Hello, I'm the Total Package 12.
Dude, put those down. No.
No, they're mine.
They're screwing you up.
You're
more complicated.
Your ugly face is screwing me up.
No, it's not. Okay, how do you stop this?
The red button.
Where's the red button?
Up your... Hello, YouTube. I am the Total Package 12 today with my new Hello, I'm the Total Package 12. Here for a new Airsoft review. Here to help me on this Airsoft review is my good friend GameBreaker22.
No clapping. Hi, I'm GameBreaker22. We're here to tell you about the Glock 18. It was first established, or not established, but it was made in Taiwan, okay? Turris is the company's server, so whoever gave it to anybody who obviously gave it to Cyber Gun. If you could see, I can't really zoom it in that far, but in this blueprint it says Cyber Gun because, well, it's Cyber Gun, their company.
The designer of the real Glock 18 is what it is a guy named Gaston Glock. It was designed in 1979. It was was designed by then.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yes. He's stupid.
Sure.
The retail price was about $500,000 to $650,000.
$500 to $650, not 500,000.
That's what it says, you idiot.
That's a dot.
No, you're a dot.
That's a